What's going on? My name's Chris, and in this video, I'm going to go over the 4 best passive income investing ideas for 2022 and beyond. Before I get into the 4, this is not financial advice. This video is for entertainment purposes only. So the first passive income investing idea is to invest in dividend yielding stocks and ETFs. So if you use a brokerage account like TD Ameritrade or Robinhood, you can invest in certain companies that pay a dividend usually 4 times a year. My pro tip for you there is if you do that, to join what's called the DRIP program, which is the dividend reinvestment program. As an example, both Robinhood and TD Ameritrade have DRIP programs, and basically what that means is as your dividends come in, you just automatically reinvest, so it kind of compounds on your investment more. Now, if you're looking to live off of the dividends, you might take a different strategy, but if your goal is to, kind of maximize the growth of that portfolio, turning on the DRIP programs can be helpful. The next one for you I have is crypto. So not only can you invest in cryptocurrency, but you can also do what is called staking with some of them. So what that means is basically you put your cryptocurrency in a way that it's staking and kind of protecting and empowering the network, and you get paid a reward for doing that. Popular cryptocurrency places like Coinbase, Kraken, and Gemini, these are all based out of the United States. They all have staking programs. So many people don't know that you can also kind of earn yield on your cryptocurrency through what's known as staking. So check that out. The third way for passive income investing is real estate. And I know what a lot of people think of is, well, if I don't have enough income or the down payment for cash flowing real estate so I can get a second property, or maybe I'm not even in my own primary property yet. But one way you can actually kind of get in the game with small amounts of monies is to invest in what are called REITs, which stands for Real Estate Investment Trust, which basically a lot of these also throw off a dividend. So this is like a way to get into real estate through a brokerage account without actually holding the real estate yourself. There's all kinds of different ones out there. There's one I like called V&Q, which is put together by Vanguard. And what I like about this one is it's like a REIT of REITs. So it's going across all the different categories like residential, real estate, industrial, retail, data centers, and so on. So it's just kind of like this giant REIT. And then they pay dividends every quarter, which again, you can do that via and have it automatically reinvested through the DRIP program if you want. Or if you're trying to live off the dividends, that's there for you too. REITs are a neat way to hold real estate without any of the hassle, or just be in that sector without actually, managing tenants and properties and leases and all that stuff. All right, so my fourth passive income investing idea for you is probably not something you were thinking about right away, but it's actually to invest in yourself by making an online course. Now, there's a great tool where I come from called LifterLMS. LMS stands for Learning Management System. And basically what this allows you to do is turn your WordPress website into a membership site, a place where there's online courses, and to be able to create all those things and sell all those things from a WordPress website. WordPress powers like 43% of the internet. So you can make courses with the LifterLMS plugin, which is something that I've been creating with my very talented team over the past 7 or 8 years. So LifterLMS is there. It's counterintuitive. A lot of people don't realize that you can create online courses and those can become a passive income stream for you. Now it's popular to also do more active kind of coaching programs and consulting and things like that. But you can also have a 100% passive online course. And what's cool about this is that all of us out there have various passion, skills, life experience, and basically the raw materials to create an online course. Now, they're not as easy as just taking money that you've earned and then investing in equities or crypto or real estate. But what you can do is, if you slow down, you do a little bit of time inventorying your life experience and your skills and where there might be a market, and you create an online course. I'm going to link below this video to a playlist of videos that shows you how to get started with all that. So go click the link below this video, and then you can get rolling with investing in you and creating a passive income generating online course. In my opinion, this is often overlooked. People often look outside of themselves and how to invest in various assets and kind of generate passive income, but you might be sitting on your best asset, which is your knowledge, skills, and life experience. And, you know, when the world is full of uncertainty, one of the things that we can do to reduce uncertainty is to invest in things that we totally understand, which is ourselves and helping others achieve certain results through online courses. So go check out LifterLMS. There's a link below this video, and also more videos about how quick and easy it is to get started and launch your first online course in just a couple of hours. My name's Chris from LifterLMS. Smash that like button, and I hope you have a great rest of your day, and I wish you all the best on your passive income investing projects and what you're investing in 2022. And I also just want to encourage you that when you do make these commitments to invest in a certain asset class, you don't have to go all in at once. You can start building equity positions very slowly. Let's take the idea of, let's say, $400 a month, if we can do that. And so maybe $100 worth of equities that have dividends, maybe $100 worth of crypto assets, maybe $100 in a real estate dividend earning REIT as an example. And then instead of, let's say, paying $100 for courses or whatever, just take that amount of time and invest a little bit of time, maybe a weekend or 4 hours a month, just starting to think about your online course. Start collecting the tools. By the way, LifterLMS, the core plugin, is completely free, so that doesn't even have a cost for you to get started with. There's a link to that in the description down below. So this doesn't have to be a dramatic event. When you move into passive income investing, instead of waiting to have like tons of money, invest small amounts over on a repeatable basis over a long time horizon, and you'd surprise yourself at how big that snowball can get over time. And then I definitely just want to encourage you to put you in your portfolio. Some of the best passive income can come from your knowledge, skills, and experience. You package that up in an online course. We've got a great tool for you to do that with called LifterLMS. My name's Chris. I will see you in the next video. Have a great rest of your day. Take care.